Privet всем зрителям, я Amin Waban. In this video, I would like to share about our collection, which are two Russian banknotes, which we have 10 rubles banknote, and the second one 5 rubles banknote, which both printed in 1909. Before I continue this video, I would like to remind you to support us by click like, subscribe, and click the bell sign to get notification of our latest. First, we have 10 rubles banknotes issued by Russian Empire. Issuing bank is the State Bank of Russian Empire in Emperor Nicholas II, which ruled in 1894 to 1917. Type standard banknote, year 1909, value 10 rubles, composition paper, size 175 times 105 mm, shape rectangular. The second one is a 5 rubles banknote issued by Russian Empire. Issued bank, State Bank of the Russian Empire in Emperor Nicholas II, 1894 to 1917. Type standard banknote, year 1909, value 5 rubles, composition paper, size 153 times 98 millimeters. The ruble, Russian, the currency units of Belarus and Russia. Historically, it was the name of the currency of the Russian Empire and later of the Soviet Union. As 2022, currencies named rubles in circulation include the Belarusian rubles in Belarus and the Russian rubles in Russia. Additionally, the Transnistrian ruble is used in Transnistria, is an unrecognized breakaway province in Moldova. These currencies are subdivided into 100 kopecks. No kopecks is currently formally subdivided, although in Denga, half kopek, and Polushka, half Denga, thus quarter kopek, were minted until 19th century. Historically, the hryvnia, ruble, and denga were used in Russia as measurement in weight. In 1704, as a result of monetary reforms by Peter the Great, the rubles became the first decimal currency. The silver ruble was used until 1897, and the gold rubles was used until 1917. The Soviet ruble officially replaced the imperial ruble in 1922 and continued to be used until 1993, when it was formally replaced with the Russian ruble in the Russian Federation and by other currency in other post-Soviet states. In the past, several other countries influenced by Russia and Soviet Union had currency units that were also named ruble, including the Armenian ruble, Latvian ruble, and Tajikistani ruble. In 1768, during the reign of Catherine the Great, the Russian Assignation Bank was instituted to issue the government paper money. It opened in St. Petersburg in Moscow in 1769. In 1769, assignation rubles were introduced for 25, 50, 75, and 100 rubles, which 5 and 10 rubles added in 1787, and 200 rubles added in 1819. The value of the assignation rubles fell relatively in coins until 1839. The relationship was fixed at 1 silver ruble, same as 3.5 assigned rubles. In 1840, the Bank of Commercial Bank issued 3, 5, 10, 25, 50, and 100 ruble notes, followed by 50 rubles credit notes of the Custody Treasury and the State Loan Bank. In 1843, the Assignation Bank ceased operations and state credit notes were introduced in denomination of 1, 3, 5, 10, 25, 50, and 100 rubles. In 1859, a paper credit rubles was worth about 9/10 of silver ruble. This circulated in various types until the revolution, with 500 ruble notes added in 1898 and 250 and 1000 rubles notes added in 1917. In 1915, two kinds of small change notes were issued. One issued by Treasury consisted of regular style notes for 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 kopecks. The other consisted of the design of stamps printed onto cards with the text and imperial eagle printed on the reverse. These were in denomination of 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, and 20 kopecks. Provisional government issued in 1917, the provisional government issued treasury notes for 20 and 40 rubles. These notes are known as Kerensky or Kerensky rubles. The provisional government also had 25 and 100 rubles state credit notes printed in United States, but most were not issued. That's all our video discussing about our two collections. Russian banknotes, which first we have 10 ruble banknote and 5 ruble banknote, which both printed in 1909. Before I finish this video, I would like to remind you to support us by click like, subscribe, and the bell sign to get notification of our latest video. Thank you and спасибо.